Handout. Reuters. Big tech news normally slows as the year winds down, but Jack Dorsey isn't letting that happen. The Twitter CEO has resigned from the company, with CTO Parag Agrawal replacing him as chief executive. "I've decided to leave Twitter because I believe the company is ready to move on from its founders," Dorsey said in a statement. Over the last 6 years, Dorsey has run two major tech companies, Twitter and Square. His first stint as CEO of Twitter, which he co-founded, ended in 2008 when he was pushed out. He returned as CEO in 2015 when Dick Costolo departed. With Agrawal at the helm, will Twitter go in a different direction? Will it chase more money-making ventures? Advertising remains its best way of making money, but there are newsletter projects and premium membership options happening in the background, and there's also that newly created crypto division. But for many Twitter users, the hope is the company will get a better handle on the trolls, disinformation spreaders and bullies. That might be harder to achieve than interest in a Twitter Blue subscription. Matt Smith. The latest 14-inch MacBook Pro is $200 off right now. It's an all-time low price. Engadget. So there were some bargains waiting for Cyber Monday to strike. Adorama and B. Usual $1,999 starting price. Amazon discounted both the 14 and 16-inch variants by $50 the week they came out. But $200 off is an all-time low already for a computer that only went on sale at the end of October. Alas, only the space gray option of this highly rated laptop is on sale, however. Continue reading. The rest of the best Cyber Monday deals. The best tech deals you can get. The best deals on laptops and tablets you can get. The Roomba J7 vacuum hits all-time low in iRobot's Cyber Monday sale. Sony's impressive WF-1000XM4 earbuds fall to a new low of $218. Amazon cuts up to 30% off Star Wars Instant Pots in Cyber Monday deal. The Nintendo Switch Pro controller drops to $50 for Cyber Monday. Apple's second-gen AirPods are on sale for $100 right now. Sponsored by Cisco. 2021 Security Outcomes Study for Small Businesses. Nissan will invest $18 billion in EV development over the next 5 years. It plans to develop 23 new electrified cars by 2030. Nissan will invest trillions of yen over the next 5 years developing new EVs and battery technology as part of a grand plan it calls Ambition 2030. This will include 23 electrified vehicles over the next 8 years, with 20 of those in the next 5 years alone. It's aiming for a market mix of 75% electrified EV and e-Power PHEV hybrids in Europe, 55% in Japan and 40% in the US and China by 2030. This could even include EVs with all-solid-state batteries ASSB by 2028, with a pilot plant in Yokohama primed to start manufacturing as early as 2024. ASSB's promise benefits like reduced charging times and improved stability. Continue reading. The UK's antitrust regulator is reportedly set to block Meta's purchase of Giphy. It would be the first Competition and Markets Authority reversal of a major tech acquisition. According to the Financial Times, the UK's Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) is expected to reverse Facebook parent company Meta's purchase of Giphy. If so, it would mark the first time that the country's competition regulator has unwound a major tech acquisition. Meta, or Facebook, at the time, announced in May 2020 that it bought the GIF platform with the goal of rolling it into Instagram. Reports pegged the price of the deal at $400 million. The CMA raised concerns about the acquisition, however. It opened an investigation into the deal the following month. The regulator ruled in August that the deal could prevent rivals such as TikTok and Snapchat from accessing Giphy's library of GIFs. It also said the deal could remove a potential competitor to maintain the UK advertising sector. Continue reading. The delayed Cyberpunk 2077 next-gen upgrade will be free for PS4 and Xbox One owners. The update is now on track for early 2022. CDPR. CD Projekt Red is on track to release the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X versions of Cyberpunk 2077 in the first quarter of 2022, the studio's parent company announced on Monday. CDPR had initially planned to release the update in late 2021. The company also confirmed anyone who purchased the game on either PlayStation 4 or Xbox One will receive the next-gen update for free. Pro tip: if you don't already have Cyberpunk 2077, you can buy it while it's currently 50% off on the PlayStation and Microsoft stores. You'll then have the next-gen version in your back pocket when it eventually launches. Continue reading. The biggest news stories you might have missed. FIFA will test limb tracking offside tech at the Arab Cup. Amazon ordered to rerun contentious Alabama union election. Sonos may be working on a mini subwoofer. Miami votes to bring back electric scooters rentals for 5 weeks. Congress will hold a hearing on potential Section 230 reforms this week. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.